Hi, Judd here. Not there, up here.
Hi. Okay, it's the day after I put in the banana tree, and the back's better, but it's not great. But these things got to get in the ground, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. One of us will survive. It's either me or the plants, and we'll go for the plants for today, because I can always recover. So here we go.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we'll take this and put it down on the corner. So we'll go down to the far corner. Take a peek at the banana tree. Okay. Looking good. Oh boy. Back is weary. Okay. Okay. I'm going to stop my corner spot where we've got my weird pine tree that's actually a branch. And right about here, I think we will stick in that thing. Whatever that, oh, that's Queen of the Night, I think. Yeah, let's stick it in here. Okay. Roots go down, roots go down. It's like the theme of my planting. The roots go down. That'll be good, huh? You know what, maybe put a Severus on each side of that? What do you think? Yeah, why not? And here. Yeah, that's a good looking Severus. Ooh, Okay. Cool. Oh yeah, there's another good looking one. Cool. There's for the corner spot. Now, so we need a bunch of holes back here. Start here. There's one's been sitting in the water down at the bottom there. Look at that, that's a beauty. So here. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, a double. Oh, okay, we got a double. Okay, there we go. Because right through here is going to be a little path. When I free up more of the interior, see that path going through there. Okay, so there's our Severus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. Now maybe I'll stick a couple over here. Because I got too many damn Severus. Okay, so Severius. Okay, and Severius. That's all I got in this thing. Severius. Lucinda, what's with all the Severius? Where are we gonna put them all? Okay, we're gonna leave them right there for now.
So there you go. I hope this footage came out. If not, this is going to be a very dull video. This is what I still got left to go. 100 billion Severius, some Queens of the Night, and various other little things. A little bit of monkey grass here, but in a protected area, pretty much shaded, keeping it watered, more plants. But the main thing is I got this stuff in. I'm very happy about that. If that takes, I'm going to be thrilled to death. That is going to be fantastic. Not only will it make a nice border, it'll keep all the other weeds out from there and take care of the dripping. And I got the Norfolk pine getting watered because it didn't rain yesterday, even though it said it was gonna. Well, it didn't rain very much. It rained a little bit, but not enough to help this stuff out. Okay, down here on the corner feature spot, I've got the, that's a Queen of the Night. Queen of the Night and 2 Severus surrounding it, just to accent the corner. And then up here, having a plethora of Severius. I put a couple in there just for the grins and giggles, but the main thing was to get them in here, lining the back edge of this newly reclaimed area. And I planted my posts, and I planted a little bit of monkey grass to see how that does back here. And threw a couple more runners. Oh yeah, and a $1 billion baby plant up there. Yeah, so something could happen in here. This could be nice. And I gotta fill up the bird bath. There's no water in there. The birds want some water. Okay, so just in case the other footage didn't come out good enough, that'll show you what I got done. Because it's very important that you see what I got done. Happy day to you.